So today we're going to do a little unboxing. This is a new vlogging camera that I picked up, so hopefully it will record a little better video than what the S7 that I'm recording this on. So this is a Wecam I picked up off of Amazon. Fairly inexpensive, decent reviews, but I figured we'd do an unboxing and then comparison on the picture of this versus the camera and what my thoughts are. I mean, this is, you know, for 130 bucks, maybe this is a really good option for somebody who's just getting into vlogging and needs something a little decent. So, all right, let's get into this. So that's the camera itself. That is, well, smaller than what I was anticipating. Fairly lightweight. It does have viewfinder for that rotates around. So when you're doing selfies, you have the screen right there in front of you. It does have a hot shoe, I think is what they call these, for external microphone or lights. All right, let's see what else we got. I believe that's the wide angle lens. Comes with a macro lens. Oh, that is the wide angle lens. Oh, I was wrong. That's the wide angle lens. Welcome back. So I did kind of peruse through the instructions. inserted my own high quality SD card. Goes in a little hard, so you do have to push until it clicks and it will lock in the bottom right here. Battery compartment nub for a tripod connection, and then you have all of your, it's not a touch screen. All your controls are done through here. You have this is to take pictures or video, power on, off. These little knobs are kind of just for looks. And then your stock the stock lens that comes with it. And you do have a flash button on it, so you can get some light. Not very powerful. And then it does come with a macro lens. I did read the instructions, make sure it wasn't going to break anything, and then that snugs up, and that gives you a wide angle view. So when you're doing selfies, and this will, you can swing this out, have your camera set up, and actually be able to record yourself. So you can see how I have the phone kind of set up hanging down. So now I'm going to go ahead and get some video using this camera, and I think I'm going to try doing a side-by-side with this and that phone, just to see if there is a difference in the quality. I'm hoping there is, because I mean, if there's a decent, this gives you a decent picture, decent quality for the price, I'd be really impressed. So stay tuned for that. Okay, so I got the camera. I'm now recording with the Wecam camera, and we'll see how the picture comes out. I don't like the light that's on it. I have the light that's on it now. It hits the lens, and you can see how it kind of cuts off right there with the lens. So if I kind of like hold this up a little bit, it shadow, so the flash that comes with it's garbage. Let me go ahead and turn that off. Okay, so now we're like kind of a little bit low light. I am backlit with the window here, so I'm going to turn on the light here so we can see. That's a little better. I mean, they're incandescent bulbs, so they have that yellowish glow to them. I actually wanted to see how this looked in using this camera versus the phone that I had. You see I do have the trim up now. 2 coats of a semi-gloss clear polyurethane, actually a spar urethane. 2 coats of that, so it has that nice, it's not too shiny but reflects in the light because it's kind of dark up here. But yeah, I like it. It came out good. I'm still going to do a little bit of finish trim around it. So with this camera, it has an app that you can control the camera with through your phone. It's garbage. Don't even try to use it. At first I had to find the app. The instructions that they give you to find it on the Play Store or iOS don't work. And then I tried to search through manufacturer, and then I went more through the instructions, and Novacam is the other name that was in there. So I did that, found it, installed the app, and connected. It has a Wi-Fi connection, so you connect to the phone, and it is garbage. It doesn't work. Crashes every single time I open it. Well, not every single time. Most of the time, open it, it'll crash. And then when I did get it to connect, it would connect on the camera, but on my phone, it just kept saying connection fail, connection fail. So I guess I just have to control the camera through the buttons on the back, which I can take care of in editing. So hopefully the picture comes out good. Start using this camera regularly now. And yeah, that's all I got. I just wanted to do this. And then I got some stuff coming up with couple reviews on a rower. I got some health things going on, a little surgery. I got to lose some weight to be able to get ready for a surgery. So we'll go into that at a later time. Nothing big, just you know, old age kind of a thing. So I would appreciate you subscribing, thumbs up, and let me know what you think of the resolution of this camera. Thanks, guys. Bye.